Right guys, where do I start? This is a video that I probably didn't think I was going to be filming, but yeah, you can probably tell by the title of the video, the Capri actually might be going soon. Actually, I don't even know what the title of the video is going to be, but basically, yeah, the Ford Capri is actually finished, and I do apologise if I haven't filmed the recent work that's being done on this car. So basically, from the last video, this car has obviously gone through an MOT, relatively no problem, I'll get to that in a minute, and it's had some suspension work done at the front, which involved obviously the front anti-roll bar like setup and a lot, getting powder coated and painted, and that all got put back on with fresh bushes and the polyurethane ones, yeah, all that good stuff, and all new bolts. So that was the kind of stuff that was done off camera. So yeah, as far as the MOT goes, I put it in for MOT, and it failed on one thing, and that was a little bit of welding, which got done and it passed no problem at all. So yeah, as I said, the Capri is actually finished technically. So for anyone that doesn't know me on a personal level, I get bored of cars really quickly, and because this car is basically finished, I've had my fun with it. Like, I've got it back to its former glory, I've driven and enjoyed it and all that kind of stuff. I'm actually bored of it now, which is quite sad to think that. I mean, I understand that everyone is not like me and doesn't get bored of cars very quickly, but I do. It's just a personal thing. But I mean, don't get me wrong, right? I absolutely love this car. Like, I mean, like, I was like, oh, the car. So yeah, I mean, I will miss this car, but I mean, I've still got 4 cars right now, and I need to get rid of 2 of them at least. So I got 2 cars. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so there's actually someone that come up from Aberdeen in about an hour's time to see this car, so it is going to go into a good home. But anyway, here she is. I'll do a wee walk around because I mean, I haven't done one of these in a while, but I'm really happy with how far I've got with the car. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you the suspension work that's been done. I'll try and show you. Yeah, like all that's been done, all powder coated, all the new bits on it. And it runs perfect now. There's pretty much no more work I need to do in this car apart from like cosmetic niggles, which is obviously not really a problem. But mechanically, this car is perfect now, so there's nothing else for me to do in it really. Nothing important, anyways. That's why I kind of want to sell it as well, because I mean, now a lot of people, I know so much people are like, oh, don't sell it and things like that, but like the way my head is right now, I just can't be done with cars right now. I just need to try and get a clear head and just need to sort my life out, to be honest. I know it's just a short video, just explain this to you guys. But you're probably wondering, you're probably thinking, oh, why don't you sell the Corsa? Well, I've had this car for over a year now, roughly, and I've been driving it for over a year now. So the thing with the Corsa is I haven't driven it properly yet, and hopefully I'll be getting on the road soon. It's insured now, believe it or not. Yeah, the Corsa B C20 is actually insured right now. I haven't actually said that yet, but yeah, it is insured. So the next step is I'm waiting to get an LT on it, and then we can actually get out and drive that and get content on that too. And also, you may remember I had an Insignia as well. That's going to be sold soon as well. Needs like 2 things, then I'm going to sell it, because I've got like all these cars, I just don't need them. It's just, I want to get rid of my cars, that's all I'm saying. Oh, pardon me. But yeah, I'll do a wee walk around with the old girl, as it's very clean. I will miss this car because honestly, no car I've ever owned in my whole life has got so much attention in public than this thing. I mean, just look at it. It's an absolutely stunning car. Like, whoever gets this car is going to be an extremely lucky person. I mean, seriously. But I mean, I'm really going to miss this view, to be honest. But I mean, well, you know, it is what it is, isn't it? Seeing this kind of car sit and do nothing, it's just a bit, you know, crap. I don't want that for this car. I don't want this car to sit and do nothing. Don't get me wrong, I do drive this car maybe 2 days a week, but I mean, I don't know. I just do believe this car could be going to someone maybe who'd appreciate it more than me, because I mean, you know, I get bored of cars really quickly, so it's like, you know, you could say I don't really appreciate this car as much as it deserves, but I definitely did this car justice. I know that much. I put the money into this car. I got what needed to be done in this car, so it was mechanically perfect, and it could be driven and used daily if you really wanted to, reliably. So I don't care what anyone says. I have done this car absolute justice. You know, that's something no one can take away from me. I'm always going to be proud of this car, even when it's no longer in my hands, because I'll know I've done everything in this car to get it the way it's supposed to be. Like, cosmetically, fair enough. I mean, maybe there's a bit of bumper trim. That's it. Do you know what I mean? That's it, really. But mechanically, it's perfect, so that's the main thing. And I fixed all the niggles on it, like in the interior, and got the heaters working, all that good stuff. Do you know what I mean? So yeah. But anyway, apologies for this short and vague kind of video, but I just want to put it out there that obviously, yeah, the Capri is going to be going soon, and I do apologise to everyone, you know, but there's just no more content for this car on the channel. There is a little bit maybe, but it's just like, meh, do you know what I mean? So, but anyway, I apologise to anyone, I mean, but thank you to everyone who's followed this build so far, and everything that's been done on it. Honestly, this car's been great to have on the channel. So, thank you so much to all support on this build, all comments, and honestly, I've had so much positivity about this car, and thank you so much to everyone who's given me that positivity. Yeah, like, this car has given me so much love and all that. It's just, honestly, I will never forget this car. I mean, I might even, you never know, in the future I might even buy it back. You just never know. And I just pray that I'm selling it for the right price as well, but you know, only time will tell. Anyway, I'm not sure what else I can say, but thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.